Hello there, guys, and welcome to another day on Pro Trading Guide. If you're new to this channel, you just run into it. We strongly recommend that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on later updates and video releases. Okay, so in our introductory video on this podcast that we titled "Before You Quit Trading, Do This Triple R Ritual," we presented the Triple R Ritual, but not that much to say. So today is the first episode that we really delve into the Triple R Ritual, and we're presenting to you the three R's that make up the Triple R Ritual. So, what is this Triple R Ritual? Now, here at Pro Trading Guide, we have this daily trading routine that we undergo before starting each trading day, and that is what we call the Triple R. So, we're going to be looking at this Triple R today in this episode. And the three R stand for the first R is reset, the second R is reward, and the last R is the restart. Okay, so we are to reset, reward, and restart. So we're going to be treating the first R in this episode. And the first R is actually to reset each day. Okay, so you recalibrate your mind, you reset each day. And we have a saying here at Pro Trading Guide that yesterday never happened. Okay, so regardless of your yesterday's trading outcome, whether you made 100 grand or lost 100 grand, it never happened. It is in the past, and we acknowledge that it did not happen. And the reason is that just because you lost 100 grand yesterday does not mean that you're going to lose another 100 grand, and the opposite is quite true as well. So we try to not let that get into our heads, and that is why we reset each day by starting off with the hard-headed mentality and a mental toughness that yesterday never happened. Okay, and then the second thing is that today's balance is my starting capital. Okay, so we acknowledge first that yesterday never happened, and whatever happened yesterday, whatever the outcome whatever impact the outcome had on our trading capital doesn't matter. Today's starting balance is our starting capital. So if you made you started with $100 and lost $30, you consider today $70 as your starting capital. Okay, now it gets very important from here on. The third item is that you need to have a daily target. You need to have what a daily target for each day, and that also means that you need to have a monthly target. Okay, so we start off with a monthly target, and let's say that you have let's say $500 in your account, and you have a monthly target. You want to make twice of that, so you want to make $1,000 by the end of the month. Here's what we do at Pro Trading Guide. We take that $1,000 monthly target, and we divide it by the number of trading days that we have in a month. So if you're trading forex and not crypto, that means you have 5 trading days in a week, and that's 20 trading days in a month. So you take that 1,000 and you divide it by 20 trading days, and you are left with $50 for each day. So the $50 becomes your daily target, and you need to be hot-headed with this methodology, okay? Because you do not want to stay in the market after you hit your daily target. And it is safe to say that trading is very stressful, okay? Trading can be very stressful, and it's a lot of mental torture to yourself and psychological hide and seek that's going on in the market. So you do not want to stress yourself out. You make that $50, you stay off the market. Tomorrow is going to present another opportunity, and that is what we believe in, okay? And that's exactly what's happening in the market. There's an opportunity each day. So you make this $50 and then you stay off the markets, okay? Now the final thing, which is also equally important, is to do your analysis. Before you start trading, you do your analysis. And trading isn't something that you wake up, you just see a couple of bullish or bearish candles and you decide to either buy or sell because you do not want to miss out on the move. That is not the right approach to trading. You do that, you can lose so much money in just about a little while. So what you do is you do your analysis. You revisit the chart. You consider what happened the previous day. You even go back to the whole week. Try to look at what the weekly time frame has been trying to do. What is the bias for the weekly time frame? You also consider what is the bias for the daily time frame. You consider the bias for the 4-hour time frame, and it gives you a fair understanding of what the market has been trying to do, and you narrow it down to hourly time frame, and you get to see that, okay, so based on the weekly time frame and all higher time frames, we can tell the first couple of hours of this day is going to be selling to probably complete an imbalance fill or a liquidity grab or something that is very relevant move in the market. And in doing this, you also need to consider fundamental and then data releases, okay? So you want to consider the news as well. Is there a news on that day? If there's a news, you get to rely not only on the technicals, you also consider the news, whether it's a buy bias or a sell bias, okay? So you consider the news as well, and you trade according to the release times of the news, okay? So that is something that we do each day. You gotta reset each day. You recalibrate. You get onto your chart. You update your trend lines. You update your key zones. If there's been any breaker structure, you note it down. You note all the key points at which price returned the previous day. So you're basically doing all this so that you can have you can treat the day as a unique event in the markets, okay? You don't want to go by what happened yesterday and expecting the same thing. That's going to be a recipe for disaster. All right, guys, so this is it for resetting each day. You need to be hard-headed, and you need to do this every single day, okay? All right, so thanks for your time. We're gonna end it here today for the first episode and the first R, which is the reset each day. And we hope that you are engaged with us in the comment section. Like this video, drop a comment, share the video, and hey, be sure to subscribe as well. So until same time when we drop the next episode, stay safe, trade safe.